So regarding the Kazuma or Stels 500 exhaust pipe, there is the exhaust seal between both pipes in here, and there is a seal between both pipes here in the back, and you can see here is a donut seal inside. The front one had a broken donut seal, so this is the seal, what's the diameter and what part you can put inside. It's a normal vehicle donut seal, and the inner diameter is 38 millimeters, 38 millimeters inside, and you can use an exhaust paste, installation paste. You just put it little inside with your finger and outside with the finger. You install it upwards, and then you bring the exhaust and put it inside. So what is the right part for you Kazuma? You don't need to wait long time to get this part. You can just go to any car parts shop and ask them to give you a Toyota Corolla or a Toyota Yaris or a Prius. It has the same exhaust seal type. So the inner diameter is 38. From outside it's about 50 millimeters. It goes up to 50 millimeters. But it's the Toyota Corolla between 2002 to 2008. This is the right seal for the Kazuma or the Stels 500, which had this kind of an exhaust. You see there was many attempts to put paste around to stop the leak, but this just needs to be replaced, and that solves the problem. It costs about $2 to $3, depends where you're living. This is costing 2 to 3 euros in Finland here. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks a lot.